Greetings, my name is Dylan, and today I'll be discussing three nodes offered by Amazon Web Service: the Compute node, Database node, and the Networking node. These three services are the backbone to nearly every cloud application. Compute provides the processing power to run applications. Database securely store and manage information, and networking connects users and services together to create a seamless experience. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how each service works, the major services each node offers, and how they work together. First, we will discuss the Compute node. The Compute node provides the processing power to run applications in the cloud. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical servers, organizations can launch virtual servers to run programs directly through AWS. One of the most popular compute services is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2. EC2 provides virtual machines that users can configure with different operating systems, processors, memory, and storage. With this model, organizations have complete control over their computing environment while eliminating the need to purchase physical hardware. Another important compute service is AWS Lambda. Lambda is known as a serverless computation service because all developers have to do is upload their code, and AWS automatically manages the servers, scaling, and infrastructure behind the scenes. Since billing only occurs while the code is running, Lambda provides a very cost-effective solution for event-driven applications. Finally, AWS provides container services such as Amazon ECS and Amazon EKS. These services allow developers to deploy their applications inside of containers using Docker or Kubernetes, making applications easier to scale and manage across multiple servers. Overall, AWS Compute services provide flexibility, automatic scaling, high availability, and pay-as-you-go pricing, allowing organizations to choose the plan that best fits their needs. Next, we will discuss the different AWS database nodes. Every application needs a way to store data, and AWS provides several managed database services to meet different requirements. Amazon RDS, or Relational Database Service, supports traditional relational databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Maria Database, and Oracle. AWS automatically manages software updates, backups, replication, and failover, allowing developers to focus on building their applications instead of managing database infrastructure. Another popular database service is Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database that is designed for applications running extremely fast response times and automatic scaling. It is commonly used for mobile applications, gaming platforms, and Internet of Things devices where millions of requests may occur every second. AWS also offers Amazon Aurora, which is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL, all while providing significantly improved performance and availability compared to traditional relational databases. For organizations analyzing massive amounts of business data, Amazon Redshift serves as a cloud-based data warehouse capable of processing petabytes of information for reporting analytics. These database services provide several important benefits, including automatic backups, encryption, scalability, high availability, and reduced administrative effort. The final node we will discuss is the Networking node. Networking is responsible for securely connecting all AWS resources together. The foundation of AWS networking is the Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC. A VPC allows organizations to build their own isolated network within AWS, similar to having a private data center. Resources can be placed into the public or private subnets depending on whether they need internet access. To distribute incoming traffic efficiently, AWS provides elastic load balancing. Instead of sending every request to one server, the load balancer automatically spreads traffic across multiple servers. This improves both performance and reliability because if one service fails, traffic is redirected to healthy servers. Another important networking service is Amazon Route 53, AWS's domain name service. Sorry, that's AWS's domain name service. Route 53 converts human-readable domain names into IP addresses that computers use to locate servers. It also performs health checks and can automatically redirect users if a server becomes unavailable. CloudFront is AWS's Content Delivery Network, or CDN. It stores cache copies of websites, videos, and images in data centers around the world. Users receive content from the location closest to them, which significantly reduces loading times. Together, these networking services provide secure communication, global connectivity, low latency, fault tolerance, and high availability. These three AWS service categories work together to support a complete cloud application. For example, imagine a customer visiting an online shopping website. First, Route 53 directs a user to the website, while CloudFront delivers the images and web content from the nearest location. The request then passes through a load balancer, which distributes traffic across multiple compute resources, such as EC2 instances or AWS Lambda functions. Those compute services process the customer's request and retrieve product information from the Amazon RDS database or from the shopping cart information stored in DynamoDB. Finally, the response is returned to the user. This interaction demonstrates how networking, compute, and databases combine to create scalable, reliable, and secure cloud applications. In conclusion, compute, database, and networking are the three most essential AWS service categories. Compute provides the processing power that runs applications, databases securely store and manage application data, and networking enables secure and reliable communication between users and cloud resources. Together, these services allow organizations to build highly available, scalable, and cost-effective applications that can serve users around the world. And then here are my references, and thank you very much for listening.